Hello students, welcome you to this library orientation program for first year students of 2020-21 batch of Dr. Dayanand Pai, P. Satish Pai, Government First Grade College, Mangalore. Through this orientation program, students, you will get to know what are the services provided, what are the benefits you are going to get from the library. Generally, this type of orientation programs we conduct during the beginning of an academic year. But since you are all held up at your respective places due to this pandemic, you are unable to attend the classes physically. We thought it would be beneficial for you all to have an online orientation program. Students, when I say what is a library, what picture comes to your mind? You can visualize a place where books are kept systematically, some newspapers displayed, some magazines, isn't it? When we say etymologically, library is derived from a Latin word, liber, which means a book. So collection of such books are called as libraries. There are three types of libraries, students: academic, public, and special. Academic libraries are those libraries which caters to the needs of an academic institutions like colleges, schools, universities. Public libraries, as all of you know, you can find a public library in every place, maybe in your city, village, town. It is meant for the general public. When we come to special libraries, it caters to the needs of a special category of people. So this is a definition of a library. You can read this definition. Okay. Next, you can see the picture. He is none other than Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Is considered as a father of library science. If you go to Google, type his name, you will get to know his biography and what are the contributions he has made to the field of library science. See, this is about our college library. It is located in the old building. You can see this. Here you can also see the new building which is coming up, which is under construction. See, this is the mission of our college library. These are the objectives: to promote the reading habits, to ensure extensive use of reading materials, to provide every reader his or her book or information, to facilitate rural students to enrich their knowledge. See, these are the resources available in our college: books, magazines, newspapers, journal, periodicals, and e-resources. See, what are the magazines we get in our library? We get nearly 32 magazines and journals, altogether 32 magazines and journals we are subscribing. On all subjects, you can get the magazines and even the journals. Magazines on competitive exams, bank exams, and other entrance books are available to the students. See, you can see here CD-ROMs. We have a good collection of CD-ROMs. You can come and make use of this CD-ROMs. And the timings of the library. Library is kept open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. on all days except on Saturdays, which is open till 3 p.m. and during examinations, library functions as usual. See, book borrowing. How many books can you borrow from the library at a time? UG students can borrow 2 to 3 books, whereas PG students can borrow 3 to 4 books at a time. How long you can keep the book, students? For a period of 14 days, but during semester examinations, you can retain the books till the end of the semester. You can see here the newspapers we are subscribing to the library. These are the number of, you can see here Kannada, English, even for the Kerala students we have Malayalam paper also and Hindi paper also we subscribe. New arrivals. See students, this is one of the best practices we follow in our library. Whenever a new magazine, new journal, or a new book has arrived or we procure it, we display it at the entrance so that you will get to know what is new in the library. See, this is our collection, nearly 14,683 books on all the disciplines we are available in the library. More than 1,000 books are donated by committee members, ex-staff, and some philanthropists also. And this you can see here, students are busy doing the reference work. We have a very good reference section. You can refer encyclopedias, thesaurus, yearbooks, maps, KS and IS related books, etc. This is Enlist students. We have through InfitMet this Enlist program. See, there is one link. No, if you click on this, you can get access to a number of online journals and even full textbooks you can get to read. This is another important feature of our college library, that is implementation of eGranthalaya 4.1 on NIC National Cloud. Once you become a member of a college library, you have to download the app where you'll get a password. Using that, you can access the collections of our library, the titles especially, through OPAC, that is Online Public Access Catalog. If you want to know which book is available in your library, you can get to know that through OPAC. Sitting anywhere, you can access. And this is some of the services we provide, like circulation service, reference service, internet services, interlibrary loan, newspaper clipping services. When there is a demand for a particular book and which we don't have in the library, we can procure it from other college libraries through interlibrary loan. You can see this internet facilities. Student can make use of the internet during their free time. Book bank facility. This is one of the unique feature of any government college library, exclusively for SC, ST students and underprivileged students. Book bank is kept open where students can borrow I mean 4 books at a time during the beginning of the semester, and they can return it after the end of the semester. See, previous year question papers, students, there is the link here. You can see that our college website. When you click on this, you will get the previous year question paper, which we preserve. More than 5 years question papers you get here, and you can download it or you can take a photocopy also. See, these are some of the career guidance services which we provide to our students. You can see here, NetSet IAS books are also available in the library. Some of the best practices we follow, say orientation program, that is user education, alerting SMS service on book information through mobile, email, computerized literature served, then internet, then every year best user of the library award is given to those students who have borrowed more books and who also found to be an exemplary. Guest talks are arranged, Dr. Saranganathan Day is celebrated, and even our facilities are availed by ex-students, neighboring colleges, staff and KSOU students. So students, I hope I have explained to you in a nutshell what are the services we provide, what are the benefits you are going to get. So you got an overview of the library. So please do visit your library at the earliest. I hope you will come to the college and make the best use of your library. Thank you, students.